Oh, I want to jump into, so we've talked about like kind of the, the traditional sauna. So is there a specific type of heater? Is it steam in there? Or the rocks? Can you kind of give us overview of what all that is?
Oh, that's a good question. I totally forgot to talk about that. Yeah. So, of course, you know, originally, before there were smokestacks, there were so-called smoke saunas,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like smoke sauna is a sauna where before you start sauna bathing, all the smoke comes into the hot room, and there's like a hole in the ceiling that lets the smoke out, and once the rocks are hot enough, you take the embers out and you close that latch, and then you let it like stay and get ready, so to speak. So just and but you have to be very careful, because if you don't know what you're doing, you can get a carbon monoxide poison. So it's
Yeah.
yeah. So
Jeez.
it's like I'm not. Let's not go there this time. But that's the ultimate original sauna, is a smoke sauna. And of course, after that, they invented smokestacks, smoke pipes. So you don't have that smoke anymore inside your hot room. But of course,
Okay.
with wood burning, it was wood burning, and wood burning is still like I don't know the actual percentage, but I would assume maybe like 5 to 10% of the saunas sold in the U.S. have a wood burning stove, wood burning
Cool.
heater in them, and the rest are electric heaters. And about that authentic experience, of course, playing with wood, lighting the sauna, hearing the wood burn, that's part of the good feeling, part of the
Yeah.
experience. But electric heaters are good. But now coming to the question that you posed, it there's I understand why, but at some point in the US, somebody decided that you could get electrocuted by throwing water on the rocks. And, uh, and I guess there are very, very bad sauna heaters out there. So it might even be true, I don't know. But all real authentic heaters are built to be thrown water at. So it's just like there has to be a pile of rocks, and that steam, it's a very difficult word I've learned to understand, but both the process and the aftermath is called löyly. Löyly.
I'll let you pronounce that. That's
Yeah,
that's on you.
exactly. So you throw löyly on the rocks, and then the steam comes out, and it's very frustrating if you don't have that, because that's part of the whole experience, is that, and you control the humidity inside the sauna room with
Mm-hmm.
that process,
Right.
and
Okay.
and it's an essential part of the good sauna bathing experience. That's that's one compromise that you might make. If you decide not to throw water on the rocks, fine, but you're compromising.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very